Hilton Hotel Beach. This is one of the oldest hotels here. This is how it looks on Tuesday. This is the new hotel they're building called Lavi or something. This is Rixos Premium Dubai. And I'm gonna show you JBR Beach. In most of the hotels, they're offering jet skis, bananas, and all the swimming activities. So you can rent, and just passing by, you can rent in any hotel those. And here's the hotel Rixos Premium, and this is the beach and the sunbeds just right on the right side. This is two buildings, one is residential and another one is the hotel. So yeah, I didn't go inside, but you can see from the outside the sunbeds and umbrellas. Here's the beach. Also, you can access the beach for free, but not the sunbeds. You cannot go inside. Very popular hotel. Those who are laying by the side of those ropes, those are the visitors, free visitors. So they're just laying by the hotel on their own towels. Нет, я хочу весь GBR с ней. Чтобы все видели, что такое GBR. Да, да. And here is the hotel on the right side. You cannot really see it. It's a very low hotel called the Ritz-Carlton. The price as of for today is 4,063 dirhams, which is about $1,300 per night. It's a very luxurious hotel. You cannot see it from here. They have amazing outdoor areas where you can have drinks and bars and restaurants, everything. In front of it, it's not allowed. As I have mentioned, this beach is free, so anyone can come and have a great time at the beach. You can run, have a walk, you can walk anywhere you want across the beach line. However, you cannot lay everywhere you want. You can lay at the certain areas where it doesn't belong to the hotel. You can just stay there and chill, put your towels and your belongings over there, and it's quite safe. It is the safest place in the world, I think, Dubai, and you can leave your stuff and just swim around. But again, you have to be careful anyway. Don't leave money on top of your back and don't act insane. But yeah, the rest is fine. It's very safe, and you can leave your stuff and just go for a swim even if you're alone. Here I just wanted to show you the type of sand it has. It is quite soft, not as soft as maybe in Asia or some other places, but JBR beach is much better than Palm Jumeirah's beaches. They are very much only with shells, with broken shells, so it's very hard to walk on them. I don't know if you know me, but this is me, Alina. I am the admin of this channel. Me and my mom are actually taking care of this channel. So this is me. I am introducing myself. Get to know me and message me if you want to know something more about Dubai. I would love to share with you everything I know. I've been in Dubai for over 20 years, and my mom been here more than 25 years, so you're more than welcome to ask anything you like. I want to tell you about those chairs. They are actually provided by the hotels, some hotels, Hilton included. And this is another hotel which is La Meridian. Those chairs are so comfortable. You can just sit in there, chill by the water. It is waterproof. So it's just amazing. It's the most comfortable thing. So here we're coming closer to zero gravity. Those are the bananas and all the swimming activities you can rent by here. This is a very big beach from the hotel, which is Hub Tour, to zero gravity. There is like a wide area that also people who are not staying there, they can actually just lay by the beach on their own towels. And I'm just walking down to zero gravity. There it is. There is a pool. There is a pool and beach access. You can go there and have alcohol as well. And right next to zero gravity, here is the skydive area where you can jump and see the whole Palm Jumeirah view, JBR view, and everything that is near next to it, Burj Arab as well. So everything. I hope you enjoyed my video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment below if you like the video. Thank you so much for watching.